Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Countif and Countifs function in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data with the year, product name and total amount. So here I'm going to use the Countif with the one criteria and Countifs with the multiple criteria. It's two criteria. Okay. So let's start the one by one. The first Countif. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the count if. So I select here the count if functions. First is the range. Range is related to the criteria. It means criteria range here you need to select. Here the criteria is a product. So range will be product column. Okay, so I select the product column. You just select the first cell and you can use here the shortcut key. Okay, shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Okay, here you can see the range also selected. Use the comma. Now select the criteria. Criteria is your product, t-shirts. Bracket closed and enter. Total 80 count, total 80 t-shirts products available in this data. If you want to cross check, simply select the cell, apply the filter, shift control L, the shortcut key to apply the filter. Then filter the product. Okay, search here in search box t-shirts. So I enter the t-shirts and here t-shirt search and click on OK. Now select the first cell, same as shift control down arrow to select the entire column. And here you can see the count 80. It means correctly calculated by using the count 8. Okay. Now the second function is count ifs with the multiple criteria. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the count ifs. So here select the count ifs. Here the first criteria range 1. Here the first criteria year 2023. Second criteria product t-shirt. Okay. The first criteria range is year. Okay. So year column select. So select the first cell and use the shortcut key, shift control down arrow and use the comma. Then select the criteria 1 year 2023. Use the comma again. And criteria 2 range. Criteria 2 here product. So this criteria range is a product column. So select the product column, select the first cell, use the shortcut key, shift control down arrow to entire column selection. Use the comma, then select the criteria 2. Okay. Here you can see the product is not showing, product name is not showing. You can just select this cell, the product name, and just use the down arrow. Okay, now you can see the G8 selected. G8, G is a column and 8 is a row number. Okay, it means correctly selected. Then bracket closed and enter. And that's it. Here you can see. In 2023, t-shirt product is 30 count. If you want to cross check, simply apply the filter on this data. Shift Control L to apply the filter. And the filter here, the t-shirts. So I filter here the t-shirts. And here filter the second your criteria in 2023. I want to check. Okay, 2023 and just see the count 30. It means correctly calculated with the multiple criteria. Okay, 30. If you want to change here the product, you can change it. If you I'll just copy paste the dress. Dress is a 23 in 2023. Okay. If you want to change here, I want to change here the headphones. Headphones is total 52 count in this data. Okay. And the sofa, I just change here the sofa. Sofa is the same as 23. Okay. I take the one more jacket. 25 count in 2023. In 2023, the jacket product is a 25 count. Okay. So hope you understood the what is the difference in the count if and count ifs. Count ifs is applied for multiple criteria. Okay, one first criteria and this is the second criteria. Okay, and count if is applied for only one criteria. Okay, only one criteria. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.